Hello, it's going
Hi.
well, thank you.
Okay, nice. And Andre, it looks like it's a new picture, right? This is the same Andre that I know?
Yes, it is the same Monday.
Okay, perfect. And Shinwei, welcome to class as well. Shinwei, how are you?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, how's it going?
I'm fine. Teacher, you are more handsome than the past.
I can't believe you can actually see me. Everything's white, but thanks. And Adela, how's it going?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, good. And Adela, what's your day been like? What have you done today?
I rode with my bike along the coast.
Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's what you said you were gonna do. Um,
Teacher,
yeah, awesome.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Mm, uh, when you wear your glasses, you are more handsome and charming.
Oh, thanks. I'll try to
You
remember that.
look like a professor.
I look
You
like a
are
professor.
more knowledgeable.
All right, I can manage that. But thanks, Shinwei. No, probably wear my glasses more often now. Um, and Harold, welcome to class. Harold, how's it going?
Hi, teacher. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, nice. That's good to hear. And Harold, what's your day been like? What have you done today?
Can you repeat the question? I can't hear you very well.
Yeah, what's your day been like? What have you done today?
Well, this morning I I woke up and I went to the park to for a walk with my dog.
Okay. Um, nice. And what's your dog's name?
Well, its name is Ruffer. We call the dog Ruffer because I have a friend that I think that looks like him.
Okay, nice. Um, yeah, that's funny. It's always interesting when you've got friends that look like animals or your animals. Um,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Javo, welcome to class. Javo, how's it going?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh,
and
I mean, your background is very bright. Yeah.
yeah, I'm
I
trying
can
to get that fixed.
I can see you very clearly. Yeah. It's very shiny. Like a
Yep.
sun.
Yeah. No, like I said, I'm trying to fix it, and it's not working at the moment. It's
Are you
just
right now in outer space or? No, I just kidding.
no, I'm not in outer space right now. I wish I was in outer space. That'd be kind of cool. But no, it's just my camera. I had a class last night and it was really dark, so I had to change the brightness setting on my camera.
Mm-hmm.
And now I can't open the camera and change the setting. So I'm not
Yeah.
really quite sure what's going on. Just
Yeah.
one of
It's
those
a
things.
very sharp. Yeah. Very sharp. Yeah. Image.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, like I said, sorry about that. Uh, who do we have here? Marius, welcome to class. Marius, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you.
Nice. Okay. And Marius, what's your day been like? What have you done today?
Um, I'm trying to take advantage of my day off and learn English.
Okay.
I already have 3 hours English classes.
Wow. We would probably add the preposition. I already have 3 hours of English classes,
Mhm.
but good. Okay. And Rashid, welcome to class. Rashid, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Um, good to like.
Oh, your picture is now a lot of better.
Yeah. Thanks.
Oh, no, it's better. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, teacher, you are very handsome. I like your new glasses.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks. And Davey, welcome to class. Davey, how's it going?
I'm okay. How are
Okay.
you, teacher?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Yeah, and
Hi, teacher. Hi,
we
Jabo.
use the
Oh, it's Xingwei. Good evening.
What happened?
The teacher is freezing. Yeah.
I mean now.
Okay, now it's okay. That's in the problem with his camera. And I never know that Joshua wear a glass. Is he not nearsighted? Or?
This is the first time I saw him.
Yeah.
I see him wear the glasses.
Yes.
We should be patient and waiting for teacher.
Okay, Xingwei, you must be the teacher in the class because you're.
You are joking.
Teach me history.
Thank you for
Whether
your comment.
Chinese history or American history, no problem. I will listen to you. Okay.
What kind of history you want to know, Jabo?
Sorry, your voice is very low. Yeah. Oh,
It's now better?
Yeah, now it's better. Okay, thank you. So, what is your question?
I was wondering what kind of history you don't want to know.
Oh, yeah. I like to know the Chinese history. Yeah.
Chinese. Oh, then here we can maybe learn you.
Yeah. I think Xingwei is the professional. Yeah, in teaching Chinese history.
Hi, teacher.
Hi. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on exactly. Hopefully it gets a little bit better.
We all
Can you guys
miss
hear
you.
me now?
I can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, perfect. Well, let's get started with today's class. Abdallah, welcome to class. Abdallah, how's it going?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. And Abdallah, what's your day been like? What have you done today?
Actually, I just back from work, and I did my workout in the lunch break. So I done from the gym and the work. Now the study time.
Okay. All right. Nice. Abdallah, it's a little bit hard to hear you. I think your volume is a little bit low. So if you could raise that, that'd be awesome. Maybe it's my speakers. No,
Okay.
I think.
Okay, I will try.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Rashid, just remember too, I know in the chat box you said in Mars, we would say on. So if we're talking about another planet, we always use the preposition on another planet.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. And let's start with Davey. Can you read the title and the next few lines?
Okay, I'm sorry, but where is the handout? I'm not so sorry. Just give me 1 second.
If you click on my name at the bottom of the screen, you should be able to see it. So everybody has a little icon, a little square with their name on it. If you click on my name, you should be able to see. Does that work, Davey?
No, I'm sorry. I will try to fix this. Maybe someone else can start reading.
Okay. Let's start with Rashid. Can you read the title and the next 2 lines?
Yes. Business performance. Booms and busts. Today we will learn how to talk about business cycles, business markets, and business trends. Oh, sorry, market
And
trends.
market.
Sorry.
Yeah, good. Okay. And I'm going to try to put this into the chat box. So just going to upload it really quickly. So hold on with me for a second. There it is. So it should be in the chat box, in the other chat box.
Yes.
And if you need permission, just let me know about that too. But that should work.
Yes, we need permission, I think.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
need the permission.
Yeah. I can't actually. I haven't changed the settings. I'm not sure at the moment how to. So if you just ask for permissions, I'll email them to you, which is the only way I know how to do it at the moment. But yeah, let's start with the first one. Rashid, can you ask Marius the first question?
Yes. Marius, what is what is the stock market?
The stock market. The stock market is the place where the brokers buy and sell things. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's a really good explanation. Javo, can you explain it a little bit more?
Yeah, the stock market is where you can buy some companies a share and some kind of a related product related to the stock, like futures and currency exchanging, some kinds of that. Yeah. And this is also a place you will probably lose your money or earn your money. Yeah. So it's kind of risky. So you need to be patient and analyze and study very well before you invest.
Nice. That was really good. Yeah, so definitely a place where you can easily lose your money as well. So you have to study and be patient before you invest. Okay, good. Really good job, Jabo, and really nice job, Marius, as well. Jabo, can you ask Harold the next question?
Harold, do you invest in the stock market? Why or why not?
Well, if I have enough money, I will invest in the stock market. But how I have heard that every time you are losing money, I prefer save my money in a bank, and that's what I don't invest in the stock market.
Nice. Okay. This is good. I would use a conditional. So I would change this word.
Would?
Would?
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
invest.
Yeah. And we change this too.
I don't know. But if
Hand.
Mm-hmm.
Hand.
Yeah.
yeah.
Had enough money, I would invest in the stock market. So because it's a hypothetical situation. Okay, but good. I think that's solid. But I have heard that every time. Okay, we'd want to change this verb tense.
Wasting of money?
So we could use the same verb, but we'd have to change the tense. So we'd have to just change the way that the verb is said.
Yeah, you lose money.
Yeah, because it's every time. So it's a habitual action. So every time you lose money. And we might want to say every time you invest. And how do we change this verb too?
I prefer to save.
Yeah. So we'd use the infinitive. I prefer to save. Good. And okay. Let's have Harold. Can you ask Davey the same question?
Okay, David. Do you invest in the stock market? Why or why not?
Well, I don't. Actually, the first and the main reason is because I'm not really sure how it works. And what I've heard is that it's really risky to invest in the stock market. But if I would have a lot of money, I think I would. Just a part of my money, maybe I can actually get more money with it. That's the only way I would do it.
Okay. Good. Here it's really risky. If I had a lot of money, I would do it. Maybe I could get more money that way. Yeah, that's good. Really nice job. Good answer. Okay, and Davey, can you ask Andre the last question?
What do you think of when you think of business?
When I think of business, I think about profit, which is business, which business is expected to bring.
Okay. When I think about business, I think about profits. Did you say which? Which business is expected? Yeah, that would work. Okay, good. Maybe we'd want to add an article in front of profits.
The profit.
Yeah, the profits. Business is expected to bring. All right, and that'd be good. I can get more money. We wouldn't say through that way. We would just say that way. I get more money. I could get more money through investing, you could say. More money through investing. But generally speaking, we wouldn't use that preposition. So, okay, and Andre, can you ask Adela the same question?
Adela, what do you think of when you think of business?
I think about profit benefits, but I think too about heart problems, a headache, and another words same, because I think it's maybe people make a business. I think enjoy with them. If no, it's a problem.
Okay. So maybe people who started...
Yes, a business need to enjoy with them.
Okay. We wouldn't say need to enjoy with them, need to enjoy them.
Need to enjoy them. If not, it's a problem.
Nice. Good. Good. A headache and other other similar words is something that we'd say. So
same word, sorry.
Yeah, no, so we would use similar. So we'd say a headache and other similar words.
A headache, a stomach ache, because you can have problems.
For sure.
Physical and psychical psychological problems, maybe,
Nice.
and
Yeah.
familiar problems.
Yeah. Can you repeat psychological?
Psychological.
Yeah. Psychological. Really nice job, though. And definitely, I think it's very stressful being a business owner. Does anybody have any questions or comments for this page?
Teacher, I have a question.
Okay.
For the last sentence you're writing, I don't know the structure of. If
Yeah.
not, it is a problem.
They need maybe.
Okay, so it's still pretty. It's informal. So if not, it's a problem. So
Teacher,
yes.
oh,
Sorry, Shinwei. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I feel confused about this structure.
Okay. So it's an informal structure. It's pretty common though. So if we want to, so say the opposite, kind of. So it's, so people need to enjoy their businesses, and if they don't, would be the same as if not. So they need to enjoy what they do, and if they don't, they will be miserable. So that's the same as they need to enjoy what they do. If not, they'll be miserable. And you could
Teacher,
almost even use a semicolon. Yes?
I got it. Thank you.
Okay, good. I'm glad you got it. And good. So let's go on to the next page. And it's terrible. We've lost Abdallah right before he got a chance to speak. Shinwei, can you read the title and the words?
Title. Vocabulary. Read the words. Ask about words you don't know. Boom, bust, cycle. Stock market. Collapse. Bounce. Default. Booming. Boom. Slumped. Slump.
Good.
Bubble. Bull market. Bear market.
Nice. Okay. Really good job. Maybe bonds. Can you repeat bonds?
Bounce.
Yeah. Bonds. Bonds.
Bounds. Thank you.
Good. And then read the words. Read the words.
Read the words. Read the words.
Nice. Good. Read the words.
Read
And
the words.
yeah, really good. Mustafa, welcome to class. Mustafa, how's it going?
It's going good, teacher. Thank you for asking.
Okay, nice. It's good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
All right. And does anybody have any questions about any of these words?
What's one?
Teacher, I have a question.
Okay.
I don't know what is bust.
Okay. Who can explain what a bust is or what a boom bust cycle is?
When prices go up and down and it is repeated.
Yeah. We could say repeatedly. So when prices go up and down repeatedly, when the economy goes up and down repeatedly. So bust is just a fall. Bust is like a fall slow economic period, we could say. Does that make sense, Shinwei?
Yes, teacher, sorry. What is booming? Booming.
Booming. Booming.
Booming.
Can you repeat booming?
Booming.
Yeah, good. And who can explain what booming means?
Growing.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. So growing. We'd use it to describe markets. So something that's really active is booming. So it's growing, it's getting bigger, it's getting stronger, you could say too. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. But another word like bubble, I know it's bubble is like liquid, okay, small liquid.
Yeah.
You know. But what does in this situation mean bubble?
Okay, that's a good question. This is a tricky one. Who can explain what a bubble is?
It's not a real situation. It's maybe a fiction about a market that maybe is increase a lot. Arrive a moment, explode the bubble.
Yeah.
Because don't have a real situation.
Good. So maybe we could say a market that grows
More
too
than
large,
yes.
or yeah, a market that grows more than it should,
Yes.
where prices become too high and then become unstable and
Yes.
drop rapidly. Does that make sense?
All of this like a process. A process?
It's kind of like a process. Let's read about it here. Mustafa, can you read this paragraph right here?
Okay. Okay. A situation in which a lot of people try to buy shares in a company that is not financially successful, or which is so new that no one knows how successful it will be. As a result, people pay more for the shares than they are worth. When they realize the price is lower than what they paid, they attempt to sell them at a lower price. Then the bubble has burst.
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 Yeah, good. Okay. Does that make sense, Mustafa?
Yes.
Okay. And does anybody else have any other questions about any of these words?
I have the last question.
Mm-hmm.
What is the default?
Good question. Does anybody know what it means to default?
Financial disaster. Financial.
A financial disaster. Yeah.
The default. But
Yeah.
a default, I think a default is also something when you don't where you standard go into, I think, or not.
Yeah, so the default settings, so it's a little bit different, the pronunciation. So we'd have default, so that would be settings for your phone maybe, and default.
Oh, default, okay.
Which
but
is
you
the
write
verb.
it the same?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're homonyms. Yeah. And so to default is a financial disaster. I guess a little bit more specific. Can anybody be a little bit more specific here?
Yes, when a country can't pay its debts.
Yes. So when a country business or person can't pay a debt. Yeah, so if you take out a loan, maybe to study at the university or to buy a house or to start a business, and you can't pay your loan back, you go into default. So it doesn't mean that you don't have any money, but it just means you haven't paid your loan back or you don't have enough money to pay your loan back. Generally, so the United States keeps playing with defaulting on their loans, and so it's like there's money there, but they're just deciding whether or not they're going to pay them. So yeah, to default on loans is to not pay them. Does anybody have any other questions? Any other questions?
The last one.
Okay, a bull market and a bear market. Let's have Rashid. Which of the pictures is a bull market and which of the pictures is a bear market?
It's a guess. I think the bull market is the one who is increasing, I think.
Yes.
And the
So
bear
this-
market is the opposite. Yeah.
Yep, exactly. And the bear market is the opposite. And so, I'm not sure if this will help at all, but I like to think of bears
Yeah,
as
it's
kind of
help
looking at
actually.
the ground.
Yeah,
Excuse me?
It's help. It's help. It's help.
Okay.
It's help. Yeah.
Yeah, and so the bears kind of look at the ground, so their backs are slumped. So if you look at this, it kind of looks like the first graph. So it's looking
Yes.
down, and then if you have a bull market, it's got really small hindquarters, and then it goes up, and then it's got its little bull head. But bull market kind of goes up. So that might be a good way to think of them, if that helps at all.
Yes, it makes sense.
Okay. So yeah, bull market goes up, bear market goes down. So it's just a way to describe the general trends of the market. Any other questions? Okay. And I think we're good here. Let's move that to later. Okay, and so back to the bull market and the bear market. Let's start with Rashid. Can you read this question? And Mustafa, can you answer?
What? Okay.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now, Rashid.
Okay. Okay. What's the comic portraying in terms of business? Why is it funny?
In terms of business, I don't know actually. Nice definition. Why is it funny? Let's just see. Comic. I don't know why she is like draw the man in this shape. Let's think about the animal. Yeah, I think she likes make him stupid maybe. She tried to make him like stupid.
I think you must think about the bear and the bull market. I think, but
Bear and bull. Oh, yeah, maybe because the bear is like the shape of the animal. So the bear market is like that goes down, and and bull market is goes up.
yes.
So she tried to draw, or she tried to paint the bull market. It's like describe the bull market. I don't know.
Yeah. So he's trying to paint a bull market, even though he sees...
He sees maybe he loses his money.
Yeah, maybe even though he sees like a bear market, So, yeah, generally you could say he might be losing his money if he's investing in the market. Why would he be trying to paint? Why would he be trying to paint this way, Mustafa?
To make him, for me actually in business view, I don't know, but I said like this is describe the bull market, so it's increasing, so maybe it would help him. So
Okay.
how that will help him, I don't know how actually.
I think the painter is very positive. Is a very positive painter.
Okay, yeah, maybe he's a really positive painter. Does anybody have any ideas of who the painter might stand for? So who does this painter represent, maybe?
Sometimes a beer market try to appear as a bull market to have investment, or if you consider the painter of a person who has invest in a beer market, try to combine another people to invest, lie about this. Say it's a bull market. Maybe it can be two interpretation.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
It's a bull market to have more people to invest in this.
Exactly. So perhaps he's a business owner, perhaps he is a broker, a stockbroker, and he wants people to think that the market is better than it is. So people invest so he can earn more money. So yeah, he's trying to show people that it's a bull market when in fact it's a bear market in order to draw investing, in order to make more money. Does that make sense, Mustafa?
Yes. No,
Okay.
that makes sense.
Okay, good. Nice job, Adara. Really good work. Does
Teacher,
anybody?
can
Yes.
I talk?
Yeah.
I often see some experts on the television. They often recommend some kinds of the stocks. They often say, teacher, can you hear me?
Yeah. I'm not sure if I understood.
Oh, some experts about the stock market. Some experts about the stock market.
Okay. In the
They
stock market?
often recommend some kinds of stock.
Yeah.
They often say those stock share are very good, but actually they are trying to tell a lie to the investor.
Yeah. Definitely. That's a common problem with people who are trying to invest in the stock market. If they don't know anything about the stock market, people can tell them to invest in anything, and yeah, they can lose a lot of money. Yeah, that's a really good point, Shinwei. Really good job. And so yeah, that could be exactly what's happening here too. Just a man who's trying to get somebody to invest. And sorry about the wait, everybody. I think I've got everybody's permissions out except for Jabo, which I'm doing right now. So if you want, retry or try to open the file again, and it should work. And I think that's everybody now. Yeah, I think that's everybody. So yeah, you should be able to open your files if you want. Sorry about the wait again. And good, let's go on take a look at the next page. And I think we should start with Marius. Can you read the first sentence and fill in the blank?
Yes. An economic is a period of increased demand and production. An economic boom is a period of increased demand and production. Or economic.
Good. Yeah, that was perfect. Really nice job, Marius. Jabo, what about the next one?
Okay. The period of booming economic growth inevitably the type
Sorry.
of inevitably peaks, following which there is a boom or there is a boom or downturn in the economy.
Close. It's a little bit different.
Booming. Yeah, sorry, booming.
Not really. So boom, remember, is when the economy is doing really well.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Slump.
Don't be sorry. Yeah. Slump and economy. Can you repeat economy?
Economy.
Nice. And very nicely done, Javo. What about the next one, Harold?
Okay, this pattern is known as the business cycle, and a good example of this cycle is called the boom-bust cycle.
Good. Really nicely done. Good pronunciation, too. Davey, what about the next one?
Okay, we have a market is good for shareholders, but when the economy slumps, it can be accompanied by a stock market collapse.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it continues, right? When the value of shares on the exchange falls significantly.
Good. And what was this first space?
Oh, we have just let's see this. We do have Bombas. We are covered, right? It's booming.
Excuse me?
Is it booming?
Yeah. So a booming market is good for shareholders. Good. Okay. Yeah, and does anybody have any questions on this page? Okay. And let's try this. So it'll be a little bit tricky. Davey, can you read the first headline? And can you ask Andre the question?
Okay, read the headline plus answer the questions. City analysts describe emerging markets as bubble economies. Are these emerging markets a good long-term investment? Why or why not?
And just let's remove emerging. So they're describing these markets as bubble economies. Sorry.
I think it is not a good long-term investment.
Mm-hmm.
So I think people can get some profit buying and selling shares quickly. So because the difference could be huge. Investors should be quick.
Yeah, good. That's a really good answer. Can make a profit, we would say. And I think it is not. How would we change I think it is not?
It isn't.
Yeah, So, but when if one of you think,
I don't think it is.
yes, exactly. I don't think it is. I don't think it is a good long-term investment. People can make a profit buying and selling shares quickly. Investors should be quick. Really good job, Andre. That's a perfect answer. And Andre, can you ask Adela the next question?
We are on the edge of bear market in technology sales. Will technology shares be sold and bought in increased numbers? Why or why not?
Good. And yeah, Adela.
Sorry, we are on the bear market in technology sales. The technology I think is a problem because the obsolescence is very fast. It's faster than the other markets, and maybe, for example, a smartphone can be a market that's increase a lot, or can be move a lot of investment, but is very change a lot. I think I don't explain. Maybe to invest in this field is interesting, but maybe in a brand, exactly in a brand, is a problem because there are a lot of change in the market, I think.
Okay. Yeah, so because they become obsolete very quickly.
Yes, I don't know if it is the answer, the correct answer, because I don't understand exactly the...
Okay, that's fine. So I think your answer was a good answer. It's a little bit different from maybe what we're looking for here. So this is, remember, a headline. So it's on a newspaper. So we are on the edge of a bear market in technology sales. So we're about to be in a bear market in technology. And so the question, based on that headline, will technology shares, so like things in the stock market that are bought and sold, so will those shares be bought or sold in increased numbers? Will people try to sell them more, or will people try to buy them more?
Sell and sell.
Does that make sense of that a little bit?
Edge is a point, no, in a bear market, no, or no?
Yeah, the edge is like
is
right.
I increase, you know, a height increase. No.
Yeah. So the edge. Let's look at this picture. So right here, they would say we're on the edge of a bear market, and the people here would say they're on the verge of a bear market. So this would be the edge of a bull market.
Yes, is the best. After that, they decrease. No, the market decrease.
Yeah, and so if it's on the edge of a bear market in the future, will they buy more technology shares or will they sell them?
Yes. I don't know really if I sold or bought in this moment, but if decrease, I think I don't invest. I sell my stop option.
Yeah.
If I have, I think.
Yeah. Definitely. So you would sell your stocks if you had them. So generally, we could say in the next few months, if we're on the edge of a bear market, you're going to sell your stocks in technology. So they'll probably be sold.
If the provision is to decrease, maybe I I sell my stock option to have money because they decrease in the future. Is
Yeah.
the provision.
Yeah. So because they're going to decrease in the future, you'd want to sell them. But good. Adela, can you ask Shinwei the next question?
Shinwei economic boom set to run for years.
And the question?
Question: will the demand in the economy increase or decrease?
The demand in economy will increase for a long term because a lot of people invest money into the stock market, and the company will use this money to build their business.
Okay. Yeah.
The economy will be will be will be great.
Yeah. Definitely. The economy will be great. Good. So, yeah, because it's a boom, it's going to go up, and it's going to go for years. And so demand will also go up. So people will want to buy things in that economy. People will want to invest. Companies will use the money that they get to build their businesses, which will make more people want to invest. So, yeah, that was good, Shinwei. Really good job. So basically, yeah, that was perfect. Okay. Does anybody have any questions on this page? Okay. Let's try a couple more. And let's start with Shinwei. Can you read the title or the first headline and ask Rashid the next question?
New market about to go bust. Question: will output increase? Will output increase or decrease? Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, yeah, I can hear you. Yes. New market about to go bust. Bust means that it's collapsed.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. The output will increase. Oh, sorry. I mean decrease. Decrease.
Yeah.
It will be yes. Yes, it will be decreased.
Okay. Can you explain that a little bit? So why will the output decrease?
Because I think it's also have to make with the bubble. I think the bubble it was very growing and it's now about to bust. So the output will. That's the reason why the output will then be decreased, I think. But
yeah.
make
So
that sense,
output.
or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So output is whatever is produced
Mhm.
in that economy or in that market. So if you're saying it's a market for, I don't know, I guess screen doors, and for a long time people were buying lots of screen doors, but recently there's been a drought, so there are no mosquitoes. So people think that the screen door market is going to go bust. So they're going to stop making those screen doors if the market goes bust, because there will be nobody buying them. So the output will decrease. Yeah. Rashid, can you read the next headline and ask Marius the last question?
Yes, bull market set to last all year. Question: if you buy shares today and sell in a few months' time, will you make money?
Yes. If the bull market lasts all year, and if you buy shares today and, for example, you will sell in 5 or 6 months, you will make money, of course, because the market is going up.
Good. Okay, perfect. And yeah. So we're just about out of time. I've got another class right after this. If you guys want to join that, I'd love to see all of you again. But yeah, thanks for coming in, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Joshua.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.